Today we're going to take a look at the sum and the product of the roots. The sum of the roots is defined by negative b over a, and the product is c over a. Now, just like with the quadratic formula and just like the discriminant, we find the a, b, and c from the standard form of a quadratic equation, so ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So you'll just find a, b, and c just like we have in the past. Now let's take a look at a couple examples dealing with finding the sum and the product of the roots. Given each of these examples, they're both already in their standard form, so we don't have to worry about doing any changes there. But in order to find the sum and the product, we'll start them just like we did with the quadratic formula and just like we did with the discriminant and find our a, our b, and our c values. So in this first equation, we have a is 2, b is negative 9, and c is 6. Now to find the sum of the roots, we're going to use the equation negative b over a, or opposite b over a. So in this case we have a double negative with the 9 over 2. So we end up with 9 halves, or 9 over 2. For the product of the roots, we have c over a, or 6 over 2, which reduces down to 3. So the sum of the roots is 9 halves, and the product of the roots is 3 for the first example. In the second example, we want to start the same. We want to find our a, our b, and our c values. So a is 3, b is negative 7, and c is 12. Now in order to find the sum, we have to do opposite b, so double negative of the 7 again in this case, over a, so over 3, or we end up with just 7/3. For the product, we do c over a, which is 12 over 3, and reduces down to 4. So the sum of the roots is 7/3, the product of the roots is 4. We're going to do a little more practice with this and give this a shot, and we'll go from there.